headed to go pick up brother to help me move a fridge. I sold my place, and new openings are happening. New opportunities are happening. And we are experiencing them together. Okay, so I picked up brother to come get the fridge. Say hi, babe.
I'm the brother.
So what'd you think of the Super Bowl yesterday?
I didn't watch it.
Oh my
That
goodness.
was a Super Bowl. I seen parts of it. I didn't.
How did you see parts of it?
I was at the car dealership waiting to buy a brand new car.
Oh, and that's where you got the hot dog?
Yeah, the hot dog, free hot dogs.
Free hot dogs.
They lure in and to try to suck her into buying a car.
So did you buy a car?
Almost. Close to buying a car. I was excited, but said, hey, you got no credit. You got no good income. You know, you promised us this much money, so-and-so. I go, no. You know, I just want a hot dog. I just came here to get a hot dog. And as I'm standing outside and I'm eating the hot dog, and all of a sudden here comes the guy and the girl's like, hey, I'd like to check out a new car. You know, we have upstairs, downstairs, blah, blah, blah. It's a new Nissan, you know, Maxima, and we'd like to take. And it's like, wow, you know, look at this hot-looking girl, you know. Sure. So the guy goes, okay, well, let me take your information down and blah, 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 fast talker, man. They got me in that office real quick.
Oh, man.
Yeah.
So there you are sitting in the office.
Yeah, I'm thinking, what am I doing? What am I getting myself into here?
As you're eating your hot dog, or did you already finish the hot dog?
I had to eat it because it was so nice in there. I didn't want to, like, drop any ketchup on their nice, beautiful floor there.
Oh, great.
You know, like, trying to eat this hot dog. I stuffed it in my face.
So did you end up with the new car?
No. I couldn't afford it.
All right. And you didn't get to watch the Super Bowl?
No, I just seen parts of it. You know,
They had it on the big screen?
Yeah, I had it on the big screen inside the building.
Leave it like that, and then just slide it in sideways.
Sideways?
No, just like that. So this is my Harley Davidson and Sportster, and it has been sitting for a long time, and every time I have to move it or I want to move it, I always say I'm going to sell it, but then when I get here, guess what happens? I fall in love with it again. So I'm not sure what's going to happen, but at least I got me on it, on video. The battery's not in it, so I can't start it right now. I have a battery over there. And, but I don't know what I'm gonna do. Let's see what happens, okay? See you on the next bid. Keep watching.
Just stepped in your glasses, you broke them.
Great. Okay. Great.